In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Dell laptop Bluetooth icon missing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when the Bluetooth icon completely vanishes from the system tray, quick settings panel, or device manager, it means the operating system has completely dropped communication with your wireless hardware module. So what you want to do is shut down your laptop completely, unplug the AC power adapter charging cord, and disconnect any USB hubs or external accessories. Then press and hold down the physical button for a full 30 seconds, and then plug your power adapter back into the laptop frame and boot into Windows. Check your system tray layout, and then the physical stack block will be broken and the Bluetooth icon should reappear. If the icon is still missing, Windows 11 may have disabled the device controller due to an entity conflict or error code state. So right-click the Windows Start menu button and select Device Manager from the Utility menu list layout. And then what we want to go ahead and do is once you're in your device manager, look at the top application bar and then go ahead and click on view and then press show hidden devices. Go ahead and turn that on. Now, once you go ahead and, have show hidden devices turned on, locate the Bluetooth branch tree, which is going to look something like this. Now look for your primary card layout, which is going to be something like this. And then all you want to go ahead and do, if icon shows a downward pointing arrow, right click it and then select enable device. And if it shows a yellow exclamation mark triangle, right click it and then uninstall the device and confirm the prompt card and immediately restart your laptop to force Windows to clean a new driver block. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.